too perfect. It's a little shed. Doesn't have to be perfect. Put that guy in there. I don't know what I did without these impact guns. They make life easy. Easier. When I laid these out, I had nails or a fastener every on the 22, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72. They're already done. I just tried to make it somewhat uniform. You'll notice the people that build these barns, their screws are always perfectly in line. When you look down their walls or their roofs, the screws they take care to make them look uniform, very uniform. Usually those guys are very good. Those guys that do them barns are very good at what they do. Okay. Maybe I should put this camera over here. So instead of looking at my back, you can look at me, look at what we're doing here, and kind of see what's going on. There we go. I always find if you're doing this is steel siding. It's called bi-rib, and I got the screws that match it. You know, they're made for this. You buy them at the store. I always found if I take these and I give that a whack, that helps me to set them quickly without monkeying around, having it spinning and spinning and spinning.